Shenzhen Kinglishing Electronics Technology Co. Limited is a comprehensive enterprise located in Shenzhen, Guangdong Province, specializing in the production and manufacturing of PCB and PCBA. Our Shenzhen factory covers 3,000 square meters and has 5 independent PCB and PCBA production lines. We are equipped with various advanced equipment, including SMT placement machines, laser cutting machines, and wave soldering machines, ensuring high product quality. The company has over 200 highly skilled employees, including 30 professional R&D engineers. We pride ourselves on rapid product development and comprehensive customization services, covering all aspects from material replacement, labeling, packaging, color, size, marking, and graphic customization. Furthermore, we have a rigorous quality control team composed of professional inspectors to ensure that every product has the highest precision and reliability. We provide tailored engineering solutions and comprehensive one-stop services, and have extensive experience in product innovation. Kinglishing boasts outstanding annual sales and over 10 years of export experience, with products sold to North America, Eastern Europe, and Southeast Asia. Our customer base is broad, including retailers, engineers, and manufacturers. We maintain ample inventory to meet diverse customer needs, thereby enhancing our market position and customer satisfaction. Kinglishing holds authoritative certifications such as UL, ROHS, ISO, CE, FCC, and EPR, fully demonstrating our commitment to quality and compliance. Our products and innovative solutions are trusted by top-tier clients, based in Shenzhen and serving the world. We always adhere to a customer-centric approach and are driven by innovation.